Hi guys, it's Amy, your Norwex independent consultant. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get this off your face. So first of all, the highlight of the show in this video is our amazing body and face cloths. They come in a pack of 3 and I love them. They're Norwex for your body, so they remove excess oils, the ones that we don't want. They remove bacteria from our skin. They're great for acne prone skin. And you can do without facial cleansers completely and just use the body cloth. They're also pretty amazing. So with just water, I take off my makeup every night. Now I'm normally not dressed like a cat, but I am tonight just to show you how amazing the body cloths are. So I have on my costume makeup. I'm also going to put an extra line on my face with a magic marker. And now I'm going to use a wet body cloth with just water. My teen boys even love these. And we're going to remove this from our face. I also have a lot of eyeliner, waterproof, and waterproof mascara. So whenever we're using the body cloths, we use them very gently because they're very powerful. So when they're wet, they clean. If you wring them out and they're just barely damp, they will exfoliate your face. So if you have some thicker makeup like waterproof mascara, you just want to hold it on your skin and so it can loosen that up. And look how clean that is already. So now I'm going to go to the other side. It's so satisfying seeing this work. Just gently wipe this from my face. Look at that. And now I'm going to remove it from my nose. So the reason why I did this is just so you could see how amazing these are at cleaning the skin. So these can, look at all that. These can be used in the shower on your body. They're great to be used in the shower because they remove harmful bacteria from our bodies. Our bodies are like a petri dish. We pick up all kinds of stuff throughout the day. And so these are just what we need to get a good healthy clean without chemicals. So you see how easy this is just all coming off? Really is a miracle worker. And I'm using my camera as my mirror, so I'm getting all close to you guys. So these are called our body and face cloths. Look how amazing they do. And when I'm done every night washing my face, this is the only thing I use to wash my face. And I will be 50 here soon. So I've definitely seen a difference in my skin, including less fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, I forgot I drew my eyebrows on too. Let's get that. We're clean as a whistle now. I can think I got a little bit under here. Work that off. I used to use the oil, like the oil-based eye makeup remover. Oh my goodness. I would always get it in my eyes. It was terrible. So look how nice and clean, squeaky clean. And so what I do after I wash my face is I follow with the Norwex skincare line. I start with my illuminating oil. There's 15 skin-friendly oils in here, and antioxidants, Nordic rich antioxidants, which infuse your face with moisture, and we could all use a little more of that, right? So I just use 3 drops. I'm just going to gently pat it on my face. And then tonight I'm going to use the Lysair face set, which is we have day and night cream. And I think I'm going to put on the night cream and just do a little pump. And this is actually on sale this month. I'm making this video in October 2021. So it's on sale this month, and it is great if you have sensitive skin. If you have any skin issues, this should be fine because it is so gentle and so hydrating. We also have another skincare line, which is our Naturally Timeless set, which I love. It's for women over 40. There's no harmful chemicals in it. Nothing has been tested on animals, and now I'm ready for bed. So clean and moisturized and ready to go. I hope you love this video, and I will see you guys soon.